Hello everybody, welcome to this hopefully very short offline educational video. What I'm going to do today is show you how to install new templates, new indicators shared with you for MT4, and obviously I'm going to use the sort of publicly available dynamic edge for that. Some of you know it as the DWL, the DT2, it is what it is, you know it how you know it. For this recording I'm going to call it the dynamic edge. So you've got your folder with your indicators and your template in it, and you've got your MT4 and it's open. As you can see here, I've got a $yen 1 hour chart in the background. I'll flip it to 1 minute and we'll leave it run, and we bring this jobby, if you like, back up. What I'm going to do then is go here into the folder, and you'll see that we have all the indicators and we have the template. So we start by selecting all the indicators, we copy, and then we go File on MT4, Open Data Folder, we go MQL4, double click, Indicators, double click, and then we right click in a blank part over here and we say Paste. Now I know they're already in there for me, but you would click on Replace the files in the destination. I'm going to skip these files, it thinks it's doing something, I'm done. Once that's done, I can close this down. I then go back into the folder with my files, etc., and I look for the template. I go and find the template, I right click on it and I copy it, and the same process, File, Open Data Folder, and here I'm looking for templates. It's right there, templates in the root, templates. You'll see the list of them. I'm going to right click on it, I'm going to say Paste. I know it's already in there. If it's not for you, you say Replace. It is for me, so I'm going to say Skip. It thinks it's doing something. Great. Ideally then what you do is you'd close down MT4, or you can right click on indicators here and say refresh. I always like to close it down and reopen it, but again, because I know the indicators and the template are already in there, I'm not going to worry. So then right click on the chart somewhere and you will see templates. In the list of templates you'll see the dynamic edge that I've just built, and there it is appearing on the chart. This recording is as at now 2 minutes and 40 seconds, so it's a very quick process indeed. I hope it's helpful for you. Please trade safe, and I'll see you on the next live session. Bye bye.